Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove text from an image in Microsoft Word without deleting or damaging the background. This is a powerful and often overlooked feature that helps you clean images directly inside Word, no Photoshop or no external software required. This technique is especially useful for documents, presentations, certificate, forms, reports, posters and educational materials where you need a clean image but must keep the original background intact. So let's get started. We can see here a assignments document. Now we can see here a image and we can see here attached a text. Now you want to remove this text, go to this format menu. Now we click this group drop down menu and we can see that image and text is grouped. Now I ungrouped first, then select separately. Now we can see here the text. Now I select the text and separate it, then delete this, then select the image and we can see we remove text from this image without removing the background. Otherwise you can make this process another way, like you can cropping this image, otherwise you can resize this image. Now we can see we remove the text very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.